churros fried dough. Let's figure out what it is. Stay tuned with. Where is my knife? Let's go. Add milk, salt, sugar, vanilla extract and cold butter to the pan and let it boil. Then heat it to simmer. Add baking powder and flour to it. Be sure to sieve the flour. Start to stir it continuously. Probably you have to stir it a lot to get tired. This texture is great. We need 3 egg yolks. By our electric mixer, we separate the dough and add egg yolks and mix again. Collect the dough with a spatula and let it rest for half an hour. Pour the dough into the funnel and fry it in oil with medium heat. Just like me. For coating, mix sugar, cinnamon, and a little nutmeg. Until the churros are hot, cover it with this mixture and that's it. Be sure to use Nutella or honey for serving. God bless Portugal and Spain for inventing such a thing. God, this tastes like heaven.